Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today we're gonna show you guys a tutorial or the DIY on how to rescreen your either your sliding door for the screen or your screen for your window. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of holes. That was caused from a previous pet. If you have a pet or big dogs, their claws tend to mess up the screen or make a hole like that. So yeah, it looks pretty ugly. I was gonna get lazy and then just use a tape to tape it back on both sides, but that's only for a temporary fix. And then there's another one right here. This one doesn't look as bad, so then here's another one. First of all, we need to remove the screen. There are like two of those black tabs that you need to pull toward the right hand side. Right here. Another one right there. Let's go and then this one's supposed to be down there, but let's go and take this out. See, as you pull this in, and there's also another one down here, so you got to kind of yank it out a little bit. There you go. So I kind of yank it this way and then I lift it up. So now I can take out the whole screen. There you go. Because they have this spring just pushing against this side. So let's bring it, and then we're gonna remove it and install a new one. So I got this charcoal fiberglass screen. This is 36 inch by 84 inch, and then this one comes with the screen, spline, and then a roller. So you will need to locate the corner for this rubber strip, and you're gonna yank it out with the. This is a small Phillips screwdriver, and after that, just pull out the whole strip all around it slowly. I'm gonna try to take it out though. Slowly. I'll pull out, just pull out. So it's called a spine. Right here, Joe. Oh, be careful of the pen. Try to hold it down. You gotta bend the frame if you don't hold this down. Yeah, go on that side. Yeah, there you go. Oh, that's dirty. Yes, just make sure you hold on one side and pull. And then we're going to lift up the whole screen. So try to push from here, Joe. From the bottom up. On the corner, yeah. And then just take out the whole thing. Oh, there you go. Looking good. And put this on the tripod. So the rollers in there. There you go. Good. Good. Let me trim the edges. I'm not cutting anything. Ooh. Hold the frame. There you go. So this all the other one. We got this aluminum color. This is 26 inch by 25 feet. So you could make that up to 3.8 times of the windows. Alright, we brought in the sliding screen door. As you can see, it's all ripped and torn. So we're gonna take out the rubber strip and then put a new screen on top of it. Oh my god. Oh shoot, yeah. Alright, where the lock mechanism to lock the sliding door right here, we need to take out two of the Phillips screws because it's in the way. Gotta remove both. Make sure you don't lose those two screws. Oh, gotta open the middle one too. I mean, unscrew the middle one. Take it apart. What? Okay. Make sure you don't lose it. Then take this out. Let me show you another direction. Okay, that's it. Pull up, jaw. Oh, shit.
Oh, that's dirt.
What? I put a new one, huh?
Yeah.
Make sure we have the same size, or just save it just in case. Yeah. And all you do is just lift this up. If it's gonna come off, it won't come out. Oh, there you go. Oh my god, it's dirty. Mind blocking it first. Oh, dirt. No, the rubber. Take it out first. Might reuse it. Depends on the size. Alright, so here are the finished result for the sliding screen door that we just fixed. And this one is the fiberglass color, which is almost like a black. So this two are the aluminum color. It's more like a silver tone. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop it in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.